Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will share a very simple and basic eye makeup tutorial with you guys, and it's all about how you can apply a thick layer of kajal and look stunning. So if you guys are excited, let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal eye kajal and I'm applying this on my lower waterline, as you guys can see. And I started applying this kajal from the outer corner, and slowly and very steadily I'm shifting the kajal towards my inner corner. And firstly, I'm applying a very thin layer of this kajal on my lower waterline, and the second step is to apply this kajal on my lower lash line. And I'm not applying a very thick layer of the kajal because I'm going to smudge it in the next step. So make sure that the layer should be very thin and not very thick. Also go for a kajal which is creamy and easy to blend at the same time. So in the next step, I'm going to take a smudge brush. This one is by Colorbar, and you can take any other smudge brush from any brand that you like. So as you guys can see, I'm again very slowly smudging the kajal, and starting from the outer corners, then in the middle, and then in the inner corners. You don't have to be very harsh while smudging the kajal, just be very gentle around your eye area. For step number 3, I'm going to be applying kajal on my upper lash line, and for that you have to stretch your skin because it makes the application pretty damn easy. So for that, I'm going to apply the kajal firstly on the middle area and then move the kajal towards the inner corner and also on the outer corner. Again, make sure that you apply a very thin coat because we are going to smudge this line also. And next, I am going to smudge this kajal using the same smudger. And now I'm going to reapply my kajal to intensify the look a little bit more. It's always important to tightline your eyes as well to cover all that gaps. For next step, I'm going to take an angular brush and use a black matte eyeshadow and place it right above my kajal, both on my upper and lower lash line. You will see how applying the matte eyeshadow intensifies the look instantly, and this also helps to make your kajal last even more longer. Your kajal instantly becomes thicker and even more bolder. You don't have to drag the brush, just make sure to place it gently over your kajal. If there are any fallouts, you can clean that up using a powder brush. For last step, we are going to curl our lashes first. And then I'm going to add a mascara. This is the one by Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl Mascara. And using a mascara will help to instantly open up your eyes and make them look bigger. And the look is complete. So let me know in the comment section, how did you guys like this short and quick tutorial? And if you like it, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to share this with your friends and family and whosoever is a kajal lover. I'm sure every girl loves kajal, no? And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay updated. And don't forget to check out the full tutorial of this look on my Instagram, and here's a short snippet of my entire look. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, then please make sure you do and check out this look as well. And I'm going to see you guys super duper soon in the next video. Mwah! I love you guys so much. Bye!